I got this Nautilus CC Pro. Even though we have a self-cleaning pool that collects all the leaves, I needed something that would help me to scrub the water line, which it does a pretty good job of. Now it's kind of like the house vacuums, the robotic vacuums that clean your floor. They help a lot, but they're not perfect. They don't get absolutely everywhere. So with this pool robot, what I'm finding is it does clean the water line pretty well. It's keeping everything scrubbed, but it's not great at steps or bajas. So it'll clean the steps, but it will not clean the top of the baja, so that the tile edge there is not going to be cleaned by this. I have to use the scrub brush for that still. But this thing is doing a great job of picking up sand. We live in Arizona, so in the southwest desert, and it's picking up all the sand that blows in. It's picking up any twigs and debris, so I definitely feel like it's worth it. It's not a perfect device, but it's not intended to be. So anyways, that's my opinion. So I highly recommend this product.